I was asked, Father Joe, why is my phone shutting down around 30 to 40%, sometimes 10%, sometimes 50%? And I've changed battery in this phone. I bought new battery, I changed it, still not working. I do this and do that, still not working. Engineers, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to take time to expatiate everything. So with that time wasted, let's jump into the video. Welcome back. So let me start with the reason why your phone shut down around 40%, 50%, or 10%, or even less than that, or higher than that. Okay, the number one reason why your phone shut down is because of fuse resistor. I know you're shocked. You want to know what is a fuse resistor. A fuse resistor is an ohms resistor. A fuse resistor is found in the battery BMS and is also found in the phone panel. The main function of a fuse resistor is to pass voltage. They act as bodyguard. They pass voltage to the main panel. Yes, in case something happens to the main panel, the fuse resistor will have to do what? Cuts out the voltage in order to save other component that is inside the phone panel. Like I said, fuse resistor is found in the battery BMS and also found in the phone panel. You may ask, Father Joe, please give me more insight about this fuse resistor. If you buy a new phone now, since the phone is new, nothing's wrong with the phone. Everything is perfectly working. You will use the phone and you will not experience anything bad in the phone because the phone is new. Okay? After you use the phone for like 1 year, you will start experiencing low battery, this and that, and not just that, a whole lot of things. The fuse resistor acts as a passive component. They are passive component. They pass voltage to the main other component. Yes. And this fuse resistor, from the name fuse, in case something happens to the phone panel, the fuse resistor will cut off the voltage. This is what we call wear and tear. As you're using the phone, you play games, you download games, you do a whole lot of things. All these loads are going to the fuse resistor. Since the fuse resistor have wear and tear, and not just that, everything have wear and tear. So since the fuse resistor also have wear and tear, so as you're using the phone, the fuse resistor will start having a big resistance. The resistor will now have more resistance than the way it was before. And this is one of the causes why your phone shut down at around 30%, 40%, or higher or less than that. Reasons number 2. Yes, I know you're paying attention. Yes, keep on paying attention so that you will know exactly what I'm saying. Okay. Number 2 is the battery BMS. You may ask, Father Joe, I don't know what is battery BMS. I don't know what you're talking about. I mean the battery head. Yes. Phone battery head. I hope you know now. Yes. If you check your battery, you'll see a circuit on top of your battery. Yes, you'll see a circuit on top of your battery. That circuit is called BMS. And in that circuit, you will see IC, fuse resistor, and all other components. You will see diode and other components. These IC are in charge of protecting voltage. If something happens in your phone and shorts power input voltage, which is coming from the battery, the battery BMS will automatically cut off the output voltage from the battery, right? It will do what? It will cut off the output voltage from the battery so that the voltage will not destroy the phone, will not cause a damage to the phone board. And not just that, so that the voltage will not also cause problems to the battery. I hope you understand what I mean. Okay. The battery BMS have NTC. They have NTC. The NTC will help to connect with the phone. The NTC will connect with the phone. They have connections with the phone panel. There is an IC inside the phone that receives a voltage from the battery BMS. So that the phone will use the NTC to know the voltage, the temperature, and other things inside the battery. If your battery NTC is cut off, is not connected to the phone panel, your phone may misbehave, giving you wrong battery voltage. Let me know in the comment section if you do not understand so that I will help you. Okay, fine. Now that you have understand the reasons why your phone shut down at around 20 to 40%, this and that, so and this and that, right? Now let's go to solution. First of all, I will start with the fuse resistor. If this happens, what is the first thing that you need to do to solve this issue? Number one is the fuse resistor. I recommend you use your multimeter, set it to 20 volts. I did a video about this issue, about fixing shutting down issue at around 20 to 40%, this and that, right? If you check my previous video, you'll see the video. Like I said, the fuse resistor is located in two sections, the battery section and also the panel section. So for you to solve this issue, I recommend you check the battery section first. Go to the battery BMS, make sure you cut the fuse. You can remove the fuse and use a very tiny jumper wire and jump. And jump means to bypass it, right? So when you bypass it, put the battery in the phone, charge the battery up to fully charged percent, use the phone. Notice whether the phone will still shut down at around 40, 20% or this and that. If the phone still shut down, do not worry. Number two answer will solve your problem. Guaranteed, I guaranteed you it will solve your problem. Okay, number two, listen to me. This happens especially when you change the phone battery. Take for example, your customer bring a phone to you and tell you that you should change the battery, right? When you want to change the battery, please, the carry-on battery, do not throw away the carry-on battery, right? Do not throw away the carry-on battery. What you will do is for you to remove the battery BMS from the carry-on battery and put in this new one. Engineers, if you have been changing battery, you put this battery, you buy this, you buy that, and buy this and buy that, and still not working, do the method that I'm just telling you right now. Is going to solve the error right now. I say it's going to solve the error right now. Do it right now and thanks me later. I guarantee you it's going to work. If you do not have the carry-on battery of the phone, listen to me. If you do not have the carry-on battery of the phone, what you will do is for you to look for a battery, a phone battery that will enter the same socket of the phone, right? Look for a phone battery that will enter the same socket of the phone, right? Remove the battery head and make sure that the battery is original. Remove the battery head, confirm if the pins are the same. If the pins are the same, then use the battery head to put in this new one. It's going to work 100%. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Try it and thank me later in the comment section. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will answer you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. My name still remains Father Joe Phone Repairs. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.